If that grower, he was looking at a rootworm product, a nematicide product, and a micronutrient product. If he used a flat rate of all three products across 177 acres, it would have cost him almost $10,000 for that 177 acres. When we went to the prescription, it worked out to about 60% was getting a rootworm product, about 40% was getting a nematicide, and a little less than that was getting a zinc product. Now his input bill was $4,500. All right, so there's a $4,000 to $5,000 savings just on that one field. If you multiplied that across his 3,000 operation, that could have been a $40,000 to $50,000 savings in input. Now, what we find is growers, when they get that opportunity to make that incremental savings, they can drop it to the bottom line, or they can ask the question, what's the next biggest yield limiting factor I can address that I didn't have to spend in this field? Now perhaps I can go solve another problem somewhere else.